Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to add a custom domain to Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. With that, let's get started. First, look at the very bottom left corner of your admin dashboard screen and click on the settings gear icon. From the left sidebar menu, click on Domains. By default, you will see your free store domain here. If you want to get a custom one, you can click Buy New Domain. Let us type in a test name like the Cozy Wick to see what is available. As you can see, buying directly through Shopify usually costs around $15 per year. However, a pro tip to save money is to buy your domain externally using a provider like Hostinger or GoDaddy, where first-year domains often start at just a few dollars. If you already bought your domain, simply click Connect Existing Domain right here in Shopify, enter your URL, and point your domain's A record to this, and your name to shops.myshopify.com. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to add a custom domain to Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.